Yung pagdating ko dito sa Pilipinas, wala na akong ginagawa kundi nakaupo, nag-aantay sa oras. I'm not used to do that. I've been working 16 hours for 18 years dun sa labas. Kaya hindi ako pwedeng mag-aantay ako na wala akong ginagawa. Lalo pag wala akong kita, masisiraan ako ng bait. At least I was giving help at the same time I am earning. I have to give back sa kapwa, lalo na yung wala. That's how I started na umaakyat ako sa bundok para makontinue ko. Ginawa ko siyang business. While helping, I'm also giving. When you start something, you have to focus. Ang dami ko talagang nadadaanan na hirap. It was going up and down. Medyo kumita na sana ako. Tapos magtitiwala ka, pagtapos ninanakaw pala, tapos ang COVID dumating, kaya sarado lahat ang tindahan ko. It was always a fight. Pero if you start something, i-focus mo lang talagang sarili mo. Umaakyat ka, bumababa ka, normal lang yan. Kahit sa buhay nga you go up and you go down. Once you go down, you have to learn to go up again. That is how it works.